Ladies and gentlemen, did you know that every single day, nearly 250 seniors begin to lose their eyesight, often without even realizing it? It doesn't happen with a sudden blackout or a dramatic collapse. Instead, it's quiet. It starts with dry eyes in the morning, a little more struggle to read the newspaper, trouble seeing the small print on menus, or confusion when the lights dim at night. Most people shrug it off as just aging. But let me tell you, my friends, that's not the whole story. That's the illusion we've been taught to accept. The truth is this: your eyesight is not slipping away because of age alone. There's something far more dangerous and silent happening inside your eyes every night while you sleep. It's called nighttime eye damage. While you rest peacefully, tiny photoreceptors in your retina, cells that help you capture light and see clearly, are starved of oxygen and slowly break down. Your blood flow to the eyes decreases, oxidative stress rises, and damage accumulates, night after night, year after year. And here's the heartbreaking fact: 99% of seniors have no idea this process is happening. Meanwhile, pharmaceutical companies sit on a gold mine, cashing in on a $56 billion market of eye drugs, surgeries, and supplements that only treat symptoms, never the root cause. Why? Because it's more profitable to keep your eyes weak than to truly heal them. But here's the ray of hope they never told you about. Nature has already given us the tools to fight back. Yes, my friends, fruits. Simple, everyday fruits that contain rare compounds capable of repairing damaged retinal cells, improving blood flow to the eyes, and even reversing early vision loss by up to 33% in as little as 6 weeks, according to a groundbreaking 2023 study in Ophthalmology Reports. Some of these fruits can even delay cataracts by 41%, keeping your vision clear and sharp for years longer than you thought possible. This is not about popping another pill. This is about empowering your body to heal itself, naturally, silently, and safely, while you sleep. And in today's video, you're going to discover 7 bedtime fruits, ranked from helpful to life-changing, that awaken your eye's natural repair system during rest. Each one is backed by science, each one is accessible, and each one holds the power to keep you independent, confident, and strong. So I want you to stay with me until the very end, because fruit number 1 is shocking. It's something most people throw away without a second thought, yet it contains the rare compound that can delay cataracts almost in half of seniors who consume it regularly. Before we dive in, let me ask you this: have you noticed your eyesight changing lately? Maybe your mornings are blurrier, your eyes are drier, or night driving feels harder than it used to. If so, let me know in the comments below. Share your age, where you're watching from, and your eye challenges. I promise, we are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized advice and encouragement. Don't skip that step, because your journey could inspire and help others too. Now, let's begin this life-changing journey. Number 7. Kiwi, the night vision restorer. It may look small and fuzzy, but don't let its size fool you. Kiwi is a vision-restoring powerhouse. The main problem it fights is oxidative damage in the retina. As we age, the balance between free radicals and antioxidants shifts, and your delicate retinal cells become more fragile. This is why so many seniors experience night blindness or difficulty adjusting to dim light. Kiwi is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 golden compounds that concentrate directly in the retina. Think of them as natural sunglasses inside your body. They absorb harmful blue light, protect photoreceptors, and reduce oxidative stress. But here's what makes kiwi truly special: its unique blend of antioxidants with serotonin, which improves sleep quality. Why does that matter? Because the deeper and more restful your sleep, the more effective your eye's natural repair system becomes. In fact, a 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that seniors who ate 2 golden kiwis 1 hour before bedtime experienced a 19% improvement in night vision sharpness and less dryness in the morning. To get the most benefit, eat 2 medium-sized golden kiwis about 1 hour before bed. Don't peel too deep. The layer just beneath the skin holds powerful antioxidants. Scoop it with a spoon and let nature work its magic. Number 6. Watermelon, the overnight hydrator. When you think of watermelon, you probably think of hot summer afternoons. But here's the secret: this fruit is a nighttime healer for aging eyes. One of the biggest hidden problems seniors face is retinal dehydration. At night, your eyes lose moisture. If you breathe through your mouth, take diuretics, or live in a dry climate, that effect is even worse. The result? Morning blur, burning sensations, and a slower adjustment to light. Watermelon is over 90% water, but hydration is only part of its magic. The real hero is lycopene, the powerful red antioxidant stored in your eye tissues. Lycopene repairs UV damage and boosts circulation in the choroid, the network of tiny blood vessels that nourish your retina. A 2021 study in Clinical Nutrition Insight revealed that seniors who ate 2 cups of watermelon daily had 22% better ocular blood flow after just 8 weeks. Their retinal thinning slowed dramatically. Eat 1 to 2 cups of chilled watermelon cubes about 30 minutes before bed. Avoid adding salt, as it counteracts hydration and puts stress on your blood vessels. Number 5. Blueberries. The retinal shield. Tiny but mighty, blueberries are nature's soldiers for your eyes. Packed with anthocyanins, they strengthen the tiny blood vessels that feed your retina, protecting against leaks, swelling, and degeneration. Studies show that just 1 cup of blueberries daily can reduce the risk of macular degeneration by up to 36%. They also sharpen contrast vision, which is why seniors who eat blueberries often report they can read signs and menus more easily. The trick? Eat them plain, no added sugar. Frozen blueberries work just as well as fresh, as long as they are unsweetened. Number 4. Papaya, the vitamin C powerhouse. Most people think of oranges when they think of vitamin C, but papaya actually contains more vitamin C per serving than almost any citrus fruit, and vitamin C is critical for preventing cataracts and macular degeneration. Your eyes are constantly under attack from oxidative stress. Vitamin C neutralizes those free radicals and strengthens collagen in the cornea and retina. Eating 1 small papaya in the evening has been linked to sharper vision and slower age-related decline. Bonus: papaya also aids digestion at night, helping you sleep more comfortably. Number 3. Grapes, the blood flow enhancer. Do you ever wake up with tired, heavy eyes? That's often a sign of poor circulation. Grapes, especially dark purple and red varieties, contain resveratrol, a compound proven to improve blood flow to the eyes. A study in 2020 showed that seniors who consumed a daily serving of grapes had significantly healthier retinas and delayed signs of macular degeneration. Eat a handful of seedless grapes before bed. Their natural sweetness satisfies cravings while fueling your eyes with circulation-enhancing power. Number 2. Oranges, the cataract defender. Oranges may seem ordinary, but they are extraordinary when it comes to eye health. Rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and hesperidin, oranges reduce inflammation and prevent protein clumping in the eye lens, the process that causes cataracts. In one study, seniors who ate oranges regularly were 60% less likely to develop cataracts. That's the power of one simple fruit. Enjoy 1 medium orange before bed, or drink a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice without added sugar. Number 1. Banana peel compounds, the overlooked secret. Now, here's the most surprising fruit of all. Bananas are powerful, but the real treasure is often thrown away: the peel. Banana peels contain lutein, carotenoids, and dopamine antioxidants in much higher concentrations than the flesh itself. These compounds fight oxidative damage, delay cataract formation, and protect the retina from degeneration. A 2023 report showed that extracts from banana peel could delay cataract progression by 41%. Imagine that. Something most people throw away could be the key to keeping your eyesight years sharper. Here's how to use it safely. Wash the peel thoroughly, then boil small strips in water to make a banana peel tea. Drink it warm before bed. It's soothing, and your eyes will thank you for it. My dear friends, your vision is one of life's greatest treasures. Don't let anyone convince you that losing it is inevitable. By choosing the right foods, by letting nature's fruits repair your eyes overnight, you can protect your independence, your dignity, and the joy of seeing clearly. Remember, health is not built in hospitals or pharmacies. It is built in kitchens, gardens, and the daily choices we make. So tonight, instead of reaching for a pill bottle, reach for a kiwi, a bowl of watermelon, or a cup of blueberries. Let your food be your medicine. My dear friends, if this message has inspired you, don't let it stop here. Take action today. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub and join our family of seniors who are choosing strength, health, and independence every single day. Share this video with your loved ones, because someone you care about may be struggling with their eyesight right now and doesn't even know this natural solution exists. Watch this video until the very end, because every tip matters, and sometimes the last piece of advice is the one that changes everything. And finally, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your age, country, and the biggest eye challenge you're facing. We read every single comment and reply with personalized guidance and encouragement. Together, let's keep our vision sharp, our minds strong, and our lives filled with clarity. Stay subscribed, stay connected, and remember, your best years are not behind you. They're right here, and they're waiting to shine. Subscribe to my channel Senior Up, like, share, and comment, and share it with your loved ones.